Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
I already feel excited.
That's good, Alex. Today's topic is very important for all of you. English conversation at work.
Yes, because many people know English grammar, but when they go to work, they freeze.
Exactly. They think, oh no, what should I say to my boss?
Or to coworkers, or during meetings. So today, we'll practice real, simple, natural English used at work.
Scene 1. Morning at the office. Okay, Alex. Imagine it's 9 a.m. You just arrived at the office.
I'm sleepy, holding coffee.
Very realistic. Now you see your coworker. What do you say?
I say, good morning.
Perfect. Simple is powerful. You can also say, good morning. How are you today?
And the coworker may answer, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Exactly. Listeners, repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today?
Great. Now another common workplace sentence. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, very friendly and natural. Alex, answer this.
Sure. Yes, I did. I relaxed at home. How about you?
Nice answer. Notice, listeners, short answers are okay. You don't need long stories.
Mini tip 1. Important tip, everyone. At work, clear English is better than perfect English.
Absolutely. Confidence matters more than grammar perfection. Scene 2. Talking to the boss.
Yes, heart starts beating fast.
Don't worry. Let's practice. Alex, you meet your manager in the hallway.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good. Or you can say, good morning, ma'am.
And if the boss asks, how is your work going?
You can reply, it's going well. I'm working on the report.
Or, I'm almost finished with the task.
Listeners, repeat. I'm working on the report. Scene 3. Asking for help.
Lily, asking for help is also important at work.
Very true. Asking for help is professional, not weak.
So you can say, could you please help me with this?
Or, a little more polite, could you please explain this again?
And if someone helps you,
You say, thank you so much.
or I really appreciate it.
Many practice together. Okay, listeners, your turn. Repeat after Alex. Could you please help me with this? Excellent. You're doing great already. Scene 4. Small talk at work.
Lily, many people think small talk is useless.
But it's very important for good relationships.
For example, you can say, the weather is nice today.
Or, it's very busy today, isn't it?
Short, friendly sentences make you sound natural.
Encouragement. Dear listeners, don't be afraid to speak at work.
Yes, making mistakes is part of learning.
And every time you speak, you improve a little more.
So keep practicing with us.
Welcome back, everyone. Now let's move to the next situation at work.
Yes, we already learned greetings, talking to the boss, and small talk. Now let's talk about meetings.
Scene 5. Speaking in a meeting.
Many learners are scared of meetings because everyone is listening.
True, but don't worry. You don't need long sentences.
Let's start with something simple. If you want to give your opinion, you can say,
In my opinion, this is a good idea.
nice and clear. Or you can say, I think we should try this approach.
Listeners, repeat. In my opinion, this is a good idea.
Excellent! Confidence is growing already.
Scene 6. Agreeing and disagreeing politely.
Lily, what if I agree with someone in a meeting?
Easy. You can say, I agree with you.
Or a little softer, I think you're right.
Now, disagreeing politely is very important.
Yes, never say you are wrong.
Instead, say, I see your point, but I think differently.
Or, I'm not sure I agree with that.
Mini tip 2.
At work, polite English makes you sound professional.
Even when you disagree, your tone should be calm and respectful. Scene 7. Asking questions in a meeting.
What if you don't understand something in a meeting?
Very common problem.
You can say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Or, could you please explain that again? Listeners, repeat. Could you please explain that again?
Perfect.
Scene 8. Talking about deadlines.
Now let's talk about deadlines, everyone's favorite topic.
Yes, at work, deadlines are very important.
If someone asks you, when will you finish this?
You can say, I'll finish it by tomorrow.
Or, I need 2 more days.
Clear and honest answers are best. Scene 10. Phone calls at work.
Phone calls in English can be scary.
Yes, because you can't see the person.
Let's practice. You answer the phone and say,
Hello, this is Lily speaking.
or, good morning, Learn English 24. How may I help you?
Very professional. Scene 11. Ending conversations politely.
Lily, how do we end conversations at work?
Good question. You can say, thank you for your time.
Or, it was nice talking to you.
And if you're leaving,
See you later, or have a great day.
encouragement.
Listeners, don't worry if you feel nervous at work.
Every professional English speaker started as a learner.
Practice a little every day, and you'll feel more confident.
And remember, we're learning together. Welcome back again. You're doing great so far.
Yes. Now let's talk about daily work tasks and teamwork.
Welcome back again. You're doing great so far.
Yes. Now let's talk about daily work tasks and teamwork.
Alex, what are you working on today?
I can answer like this. I'm working on today's report.
Very good. You can also say, I'm handling customer emails today.
Listeners, repeat after me. I'm working on today's report.
Excellent pronunciation. At work, people often ask for updates.
Yes, and simple English works best. For example, I've finished the first part.
Or, I'm still working on it.
And if there's a problem,
You can say, there's a small issue, but I'm fixing it. At work, honesty is important.
yes, don't say it's done if it's not done.
Now let's talk about teamwork.
Teamwork needs good communication.
If you want to suggest teamwork, say, let's work on this together.
Or, can we discuss this as a team?
Friendly teamwork language builds trust.
Lily, how do we give suggestions at work?
Good question. Try these sentences. Maybe we can try a different idea.
Or, what if we do it this way?
Listeners, repeat. Maybe we can try a different idea. Problems happen at every job.
Yes, and English helps you explain clearly.
You can say, there's a problem with the system.
Or, I need help fixing this issue.
Simple words, clear message. Now something very useful, asking for permission.
You can say, may I leave early today?
Or, is it okay if I work from home tomorrow?
Very polite and professional.
Even English learners need breaks.
Yes, you can say, I'm going to take a short break.
Or, I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Clear communication avoids confusion.
Listeners, you're learning real workplace English now.
Use these sentences in your daily life.
Practice speaking out loud.
And don't worry about mistakes. They help you grow.
Welcome to the final part of today's lesson. You've stayed with us for a long time. Great job.
Yes, now let's slow down a little and reflect on what we've learned.
Today, we practiced real English used at work. Greetings, meetings, teamwork, phone calls, and daily tasks.
And remember, you don't need big words to sound professional.
Simple English, spoken clearly, is powerful.
If you can say what you mean, you are already succeeding.
Learning English is not only about speaking, it's also about how you feel inside.
Yes, confidence grows slowly, step by step.
Every sentence you try is progress.
Every mistake teaches you something new.
Quiet reflection moment, as requested. Alex, when you think quietly, what good news do you feel inside?
I feel thankful. I feel hopeful. And I feel happy that we are learning English together.
That's beautiful. Sometimes the best good news is peace of mind.
Exactly. And listeners, remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect.
Progress is good news. Every word you learn is good news.
Final message to listeners. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English.
It would mean a lot to us, and we'd love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and truly appreciate your feedback.
So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.